Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another throwback video. Now this is a real throwback video. This one is from October of 2021 and the video number is 386, I believe. But yeah, so I'm speeding through this one. You did not see a video from me on Saturday. I was just way busy. My parents came up to visit. My dad did some more work in the basement, helping me put up some shelves and stuff. So I was super busy, super swamped, and there was no time for that. So if you missed my Saturday video, I'm sorry, but you got a Tuesday video now. So let's see. This one is super duper old, huge triptych. I can't remember if this one was for a client or not, but you'll have to go watch the original and listen to that and see all the fun stuff or hear what was going on back in 2021. Where am I? I'm in the new studio from the old house. All right, what's been going on with me? So I am starting to unpack all my art stuff. Everything's been brought down into the basement from the garage. So now it's about unpacking it all and trying to find a home for it. It's so hard to figure out where I want to put everything until everything's actually out of boxes. I still have so much to open up and unpack, so I can't really put things in their place because I don't know where their place is just yet. So that's my challenge right now. I have put up all my Amsterdam paints up on my wall, and my Lolivefe bottles are all up and organized. But now it's about organizing that nice art closet that my dad built. And, putting all my canvases, there's just so much to do still. And I still need to clean out the garage and kind of organize the garage because my new Mira laser machine is coming. So that's right. I don't know if I told you guys this yet or not, but I'm getting a new laser machine and that is literally going to be delivered within the next week or so. So I need to make space for it. And what am I going to do with my old one? The one I've had just over a year, I'm probably going to sell it. So if anyone's interested in Canada, or you want to cross over the border with a trailer and come buy it, let me know. I probably will put it up for sale because I just don't have the space for both machines. So that being said, I am going to hopefully start making spinners very soon. Again, once I clear out the garage and I can get my laser machine set up, I'm going to start cutting spinners. I'm going to start doing spinners again. So if you are on the waiting list and if you have put a pre-order in, I'm going to start going down the list from the first person who placed an order right down to the last person. I think there's about 40 or 50 of you on the list. So, so I'm going to work my butt off. I have to go to Home Depot with Anthony and get a bunch of wood cut so that I can make some spinners. So within the next 2 weeks or so, I'm going to get started, hopefully. I know I promised I try to get it done sooner, but I mean, just life is busy and unpacking has been a whirlwind. So that's kind of where I'm at. I cannot wait to have the studio ready to show you guys the new space. You are getting some snippets here and there on Facebook and Instagram, mostly Facebook. But I'm going to hopefully try and take a little video and maybe post it or add it to the end of one of these YouTube videos because I know not everybody is on Facebook. But let me tell you, this girl here is exhausted. Like, seriously, I need to take a break. But I don't want to take a break because there's just so much to do. And I feel like if I take a break, I'm just wasting time. And there's just way too much going on. And I want to get spinners started so that I can start fulfilling orders for everybody and, get them out and shipped out because gosh knows if Canada Post is going to go on strike again. I think they're on a rolling strike, whatever the heck that means. I don't know. But there's a lot to do, and I don't like sitting around doing nothing, even though I'm extremely exhausted. But a couple more throwback videos. I'm thinking hopefully in the next week or two, I'll finally be fully functional in the studio, and I'll have a new video, no more throwbacks. But yeah, hopefully very, very soon. So let's see what's going on in the video. Oh, I'm showing you guys a close-up. Oh boy, these colors are amazing. They're such pretty colors. What do we got here? Turquoise, some magenta, some purples. This was big. This one was huge. I can't remember if it was for a client or not. It has to have been. I don't know. You guys go watch my old video and then come back to the comments here and let me know. Because I simply can't remember. What else is going on? What else? What else? Lucas is here. He's looking at me. He's laughing because he never seen me do a voiceover. What's up, Lucas? Say hi. Hi. Yeah, hi. So, let's see. I don't know what else. The puppers are doing great. Sophia's doing great. Everybody's doing great. Like I said, I'm going to hopefully have the studio done and then give you guys like a whole house tour, not just a studio tour. I'll show you guys the new digs, and, you know, just kind of do all that. So let's see. What are we doing here? Still doing close-ups? There's no point in putting music in the end of this. So let me think. What else can I talk about? All right. So another thing I just remembered. I had to push pause there and think about what I should talk about. But I've had a few people email me and message me asking about tumblers and if I'm going to do them again for the Christmas season. I hope and pray I have the time to do that. You know, I can't promise that, though, because, again, the new machine's coming. I still have to figure out how to use it, you know, all that stuff. And right now, spinners are a priority for me because of the pre-orders. So that is my first priority, are the spinners. And then if and when I finish those orders and I have time, I will definitely look into taking orders for tumblers, because I tell you, I have a ton, and I mean a ton of tumblers in the garage that I had from last year that, you know, are sitting around. So I'd like to get them done, you know, get orders for them and, you know, sell them. So stay tuned. We'll see. I hope I can do it. But anywho, that's it for me for now. You know, check out the old video. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. You know, watch all the way to the end and comment below. Comments and watch time really, really helps a lot. So let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll be back on Saturday with another throwback. I promise the throwbacks will be done soon. Until next time, have a good day, have a good night. There goes my hand. I had to say it quick. Until next time, bye.